And they're
Alright guys, I'm back. I know I haven't uploaded in a while. I've been busy.
yeah, we're on top of his head right now. You buddy. Gil. Suck my new set.
Yeah, we moved the trampoline from over there to right here so we can jump off the shed and off the swing set. And we learned a lot of new tricks since that one day, and it's actually warm out instead of freezing rain, so let me get down here for here.
Oh, I'm taking this off, dude.
Alright, let me set you guys up. And we are set. Let's go. Alright, boys. We started out fast with a double front. It's a ball up. It's a ball up. Wasn't playing that, but oh well. Go double. He relearned his doubles.
Why didn't I do it?
Alright, I'm trying to lay this ball out. Oh, I felt my knee buckle. There it was, all day. We can both do our doubles pretty good.
Yeah, bro, we're trying to double back right now.
Yeah, we're so close to double back. Shut up! Trying to film a video here. Do you mind? Uh-oh.
Shut the hell up. Good doggy.
Oh God, it's about to murder us. Hold on, let me get up here. Alright. He's a big dude. Look at him. He's about to eat us alive. Try to spit on it. Alright, Tyler's gonna do a trick off the shed. Go.
Oh God.
Alright, here, hold the camera. Make sure it's facing upright. Just
Suck my new sack.
I'm gonna land my double off this.
Ah, falling.
Make sure you got me. Alright. Try to land a double. Oh,
And it didn't happen.
so dumb. So close. Let's stand here.
Dude, I can still do that.
Yeah, my upload schedule has been pretty bad. We've been getting a lot better at this, so he can so do it.
You see how close I get?
He's getting so close. I'm getting a camera pretty soon. Alright. What should we do? Here, I'm gonna front flip off the shed.
Suck my new sack.
You're making the viewers dizzy.
Shut up. Ah! Suck my new sack. Ah! Hold up.
Point the camera at me.
Shut up.
About 6 feet high, boys.
Suck my new sack.
And I got messed up. Screw you. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Lighting's good. Look at the sun. Providing perfect lighting. 1.5 layout.
Hello. Do you mind? Trying to film here.
I'm trying to film here. Do you mind? I'm trying to film. Do you mind?
Goddamn. Look at that big ass.
Kaboom.
Look at him. He's bigger than Dougie.
Who?
Mom, look at him, bro. You.
Where? Who?
Diane's huge, bro.
Where?
Look,
I don't see no dog.
bro. Look. Right there.
Oh God!
She's big, ain't she?
Oh, let me get up here. For my videos, viewer discretion is advised. Look how big this dog is. I don't know if you guys can see her, but she's huge. What is she, a Doberman? Doberman, she's freaking huge. Monstrous. See if she'll come back out. Nope, okay, whatever. I ain't mad. Alright, I'm about to ball it off the shed here. Catch. Don't drop it. Ready? Alright.
Suck my nutsack. Oh, Jesus.
Make sure it's good.
Hold up.
Ready?
Suck my nutsack. Suck my nutsack.
Hold on, see how many seconds backwards I can do. Nope, that's it. My toes.
No, look at those springs over there.
Yeah. Alright, let's try
They're
360.
all messed up,
Try
dude.
360 back. Okay, back. Oh god, hello, spring.
He messed up.
Alright, hand it over.
Belly berry.
6 minutes in. Alright. Hi.
Belly berry. Belly berry. Belly berry.
So friendly. Double ball, boys.
Give me some dog food.
Alright. Do something, Tyler.
What's worse than Sugar Ray?
Do something. There you go.
Suck my nutsack.
There you go. All day. My face is like.
Dude, Caden, look. Dang it!
Ah, Caden. Flat flip. Oh, you almost landed it.
We're over here doing doubles.
Caden's my little brother. Probably already know. But go subscribe to his channel. Yeah, his Caden Rhodes. Look at my name. His name's spelled C-A-Y-D-E-N. And then Rhodes is spelled the last same as mine. Same as mine. Look at him. Get up, inbred. Like I said, viewer discretion is advised in my videos. Every time I looked at the camera, I was like, I just learned a knee backflip today. Crook your knees like this. Backflip. Oh God. I about kicked him in the face. Cody. He won't do it.
Yeah, I won't do it, dude.
He's too scared.
I'm not scared. It's just I can't do it. I can do it. It's just...
And banger. Make it good.
Oh, dude.
Alright, do a double front for the banger. Let's go.
Oh, crap.
Come on, hurry up. Video's long enough, pal. The lighting. There it goes. Alright. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Check out my last video. If you want. It's up to you. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Never.